Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel file to PDF using your PC. This is useful when you want to share your spreadsheet in a cleaner and non-editable format. First, open your Excel file using Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the File menu, click on Save As. Then, choose the location where you want to save the file. It could be your desktop, Documents folder, or any other drive. Now, you'll see a box that says Save as Type. Click on that drop-down menu and select PDF from the list. Once that's selected, click Save, and that's it. Your Excel file will be converted and saved as a PDF in the location you selected. And there you have it. You've just learned how to convert an Excel file to a PDF on your PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.